Hey guys, welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Excuse me. Right, don't mind this. This is another video which may or may not have already gone out. I don't know. It's got to be whatever. Anyway, so that's either a sneak peek or you've already seen it. It's a win-win. Right, so what am I doing for this video? Right, it requires a little bit of a backstory. Sorry guys.
You go back to the 80s now?
Hey, I was born in 84. I don't remember much of the 80s. Anyways, right. When I was younger, I absolutely hated music. Couldn't do with it. I couldn't see, all my friends were like, oh, so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. And I'm like, really? I like music now. Just putting that out there. But there was only a few songs and bands that I liked. Most of them were before my time. So we had ABBA and Queen, mainly because that's what my dad listened to. I could tolerate them. I love them now, but could tolerate them when I was younger. But my dad liked this. But for me, this was a really odd song for me to like. But I loved it. And I'm being very elusive at which said song is. I'm wondering how many of you would be able to guess with what I'm doing on this project what one of my favourite songs when I was younger was. So I'm just going to leave that out there. I will obviously tell you towards the end. But comment, once you've figured it out, comment below to what you think. Right, so I've got this brand new mould. It's a lizard or a chameleon. Not entirely sure.
I thought a chameleon were a lizard.
Yeah. And I was a little bit surprised when I opened this mould. I kind of got Timu'd. I'm not complaining because I don't mind it when this kind of Timu happens. I was expecting a little one, maybe about that big. It's mahoosive. Absolutely mahoosive. So, I'm doing this. And I have no idea how much resin it's going to take. I probably should have measured it. So I'm going to make up 200 mils. If I need more, then make more. Why are you giving me dodgy looks? You were telling me I was all prepared before this video started.
Just remember, we've only got about 4 litres of resin left at the moment.
Oh, shush you. Right, so what am I doing with this? I'm doing something a bit different. And I'm using something that I absolutely hate using. Love the look of, but hate using. I am using... One of the things I'm using is chameleon flakes. This is the lime one from Let's Resin. So we've got that. So all I'm going to be doing is splotching it in different parts, burnishing it, and then I'm going to be using a variety of different colours. We have got, not entirely sure what this one is. There's no colour on it. And need to try and avoid getting stuff in there. We've got this one, which is gold, green and blue. We've got this one, which is, again, no idea, but it's like a reddish gold. And then we've got red. So the main colours in this are looking like red, green and gold. Right, sorry, Chris is just rolling his eyes at me. So, as I mentioned, pretty straightforward. Just going to swatch it on, so I'll leave you on Chris's hold music for what I'm doing. Measuring up 200 mils, I will be colouring it black because I'm using the chameleons. shouldn't really matter too much. I personally love using clear with chameleons, but that's just because I'm an oddity. Yeah, and Chris is just nodding away. He's not saying a great deal, but he's just nodding away.
I'm trying to fix the tool. Leave me alone.
You are a tool. He's my tool. Right.
I'm not quite sure what to say out of that.
Right, so I think I will now put you on Chris's zoomies and start messing around. Whoa!
Well, that's your green. That was quicker than I thought it'd be.
Gee whiz.
I don't think you need to add any more of that.
Yeah. Wow.
If you do that with the other two, then it'd be a very short video.
Yeah, okay. Moving on.
Down by the cattails where the mud runs slow, the crafty rat went dancing in the green-brown glow. She found her spot where the cypress leans, the little paws moving like a summer dream. An alligator came with a grin too wide, tried to chomp her down, but she slipped aside. That snap went loud, but she just laughed, spun in a circle and skipped right past. Oh, the moonlight's soft on the waterline, and she's got a trick that's all her own design. A tiny heart with a fearless face, turning that swamp into a happy place. The crafty rat, she's playing by the swamp tonight. The crafty rat, makes the whole white marsh feel right. Sweet little smile, sharp little spin. You can't catch her once she starts again. Then a chameleon slid by on a mossy limb, sweet gold, green, and red, a color changing him. He nodded slow like he knew the plan. Three little wonders in the riverbend land. Oh, the moonlight's soft on the waterline, she's got a trick that's all her own design. A tiny heart with a fearless face, turning that swamp into a happy place. The crafty rat, she's playing by the swamp tonight. The crafty rat, makes the whole white marsh feel right. Sweet little smile, sharp little spin. You can't catch her once she starts again. Now the gator's grumbling, but he's not mad. He's watching her shine, and it's making him glad. And the chameleon glows in the cypress air like a little bit of magic hanging there. The crafty rat, she's playing by the swamp tonight. The crafty rat, makes the whole white marsh feel right. Sweet little smile, sharp little spin. You can't catch her once she starts again. Sweet little smile, sharp little spin. Down by the swamp, let the fun begin.
Right, so you probably saw that decided to spill all over there. I managed to rescue it though. So I'm just going to get this out. Right. So those of you who may have noticed, that was down, so it was falling all over. Managed to rescue it though. So I shall get to that in a moment. However, this one, no idea what it is. So we figured I'd fill it, topped it up with a load of my scraps. So as you can see, yeah, I didn't top it up very well, but that's because what you won't have heard is Chris and I discussing the fact that he's going to sand this bit down to neaten it up, and then he's going to do his dunk it method. Aren't you?
Yeah, I might need a bigger bucket though. It's bigger than the other thing.
Right, so lovely silicone. I love it when this is like this. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay, that is super cute. Oh, might have to do a different colour on this bit and then a different colour on that. Yeah.
I'll do it the way I do it.
Okay. That is, I love that mould. I mean, it's a 3D printed mould. You can see the layer lines. Not that I'm picky out. Right, so wait for the glamour shots to see what he does with that. Right, so let's get on with the main deal. So as I mentioned earlier, this is based on a song that I used to love. No judgment. So, in fact, no, I was going to tell you guys, but I don't think I am.
Look under the chin.
Yeah.
I didn't see you paint that bit.
Ah, yeah. I'm actually not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you all. Put it in the comments below and we'll see how many of you can figure out what song it is. So, before you say anything on the song, Ella, everyone's guessing. We're not telling them. Okay, so the red has stained the mould, which I kind of half expected. But I am aware, even though it does stain, this is still perfectly fine to use. So let's have a look. Oh, I love that.
That's cool.
Elle. Elle's in the room, by the way. If you couldn't get. Oh, we've got a little cat as well. Hello, Spoonie. There you go, just. That's pretty. So yeah, you can see I could have probably done with putting a bit more of the flakes on, but I believe Chris, you saw what happened with the flakes, is all I'm going to say.
Yeah, you flaked out.
But I really like this. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. And yeah, don't even think, have I got air bubbles?
Maybe between your ears, but...
I've not even got air bubbles on the chin. I think this has got to be a first for me.
It's the first for me, I got away with saying that.
Yes, well, we're going to gloss over that. And the fact that I didn't hear him. Right, so I really love that. I am going to do that again. Ella is currently holding the cat, holding his paw and stroking my back.
I'm giving you a pat on the back.
Oh, I'm getting a pat on the back of the cat. Hello, Spooner. I'm calling him Spoonie, he's called Ralph. Right, so stay tuned for the glamour shots to see what Chris does with this. What do you reckon to that?
I can't see, I'm blind.
That's pretty. Right, so my subscribers, thank you so much. The support that I get from you guys means a lot. This whole resin community is absolutely amazing. So go check out the description below. I do have affiliate codes. Go and save yourself some money. I've also got a link to my Amazon wishlist and buy me a coffee. And yeah, finally, please like and comment on this video. Any engagement does help my channel immensely. Will you two pack it in? Seriously, when them two get together in the craft room, I don't know who's
I'm not doing anything.
the youngest, whether it's Chris or Ella. Right, so yeah, please like and comment, and I will catch you for my next video. Bye, guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she leaves. She's the crafty